We just shipped our first batch of product to the client and they're loving it. But we're not loving our margins. Wasted materials, labor costs, process inefficiencies. It's unsustainable. Luckily, we started using Ion Analytics to make sense of all of our factory's data. So now we have the screen. Yield metrics, inventory consumption, labor hour breakdowns. It's so detailed. We can look at any one of our products and see exactly what it costs to build. So many insights. Too many insights. Get a hold of yourself, Gary. Thanks to analytics, manual data crunching that used to take days now happens in seconds, automatically. It's great news for our business. And for Dave, our old spreadsheet guy. Try it out for yourself.